the first time ever, I'd like to let Macintosh speak for itself.
Hello, I'm Macintosh. It sure is great to get out of that bag.
The first computer filled an entire room, and in 1984, Steve Jobs unveiled the Macintosh, a computer that could comfortably sit on your desk. Now we have computers in our pockets, on our wrist, in our ears, and over our eyes. This isn't just about miniaturization. As computers get smaller and closer to us physically, our relationship with them becomes more natural, more intimate, more human. Interfaces have evolved along with their form. It started with punch cards, then keyboards and mice, tools that we had to learn how to use just to communicate with machines. Touch screens improved things, but we still had to learn to navigate UIs. What's different about where we're headed is simple. We learn to speak before we learn to read. Voice is the most natural interface we have, the one we use with each other every day. For the first time in history, we can interact with computers the same way. Hey Grok, what's the tallest building in San Francisco?
Salesforce Tower is the tallest building in San Francisco at 1,070 feet.
Can you take me there?
Sure. Navigating to Salesforce Tower in San Francisco. It's 36 miles away.
AI chatbots have been around for a while, but when you give agents a voice, something remarkable happens. The computer comes to life. It can now express emotion, shift tone, speak your language, and match the pace and energy of the moment. A voice agent can take your order at a restaurant, field questions in meetings, answer customer support calls, or help you practice mindfulness. And these capabilities are evolving from a passive observer to a helpful co-pilot to now an autonomous worker. But what most people don't realize is the vast majority of our computing infrastructure was built for text. HTTP stands for the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and it's the foundation of the web. It was designed to move text messages between computers, and that worked well for web applications. But an AI application that you can talk to, one that can listen and speak back like a person, that's different. It's a paradigm shift. And when you try to build it on infrastructure designed for a text-based world, it breaks. This is why LiveKit exists. We're building end-to-end infrastructure that makes voice AI as easy as the web. And the faster we build infrastructure for this next paradigm of computing, the faster we can get this new type of voice AI application into the hands of people around the world. It's with that spirit, I'm excited to announce that LiveKit has raised $100 million at a $1 billion valuation. It's a milestone that's more than just capital for us. It's a commitment to our users that we're in this for the long haul, and we're going to build the future together.